Hello, it's FIX Sevt AUTO here. In this video clip I'm going to show how to replace the air filter of Infiniti FX 35, which is produced from 2002 till 2013. Yeah, the air filter, it's very easy to replace it. There's a 4 clips I have to loose and 1 bolt I have to loose as well, and the air filter is going out. You see now on the top, yeah. Firstly that air pipe here. There's a 2 plastic button they have to take out and take it out. Yeah, 2 plastic button. There's a 4 clips here we have to loose. And 1 bolt on the right. And that's it. Take out the filter. Put the new one. Thank you very much for visiting our channel. That one is FIX Sevt AUTO, and the other one that we have, it's a Peter's garage. Thank you.